The law-abiding people who play by the rules and who are the overwhelming majority in our country, I say the fight back has begun. We will protect you. If you've had your livelihood and property damaged, we will compensate you. We are on your side. And to the lawless minority, the criminals who have taken what they can get, I say this. We will track you down, we will find you, we will charge you, we will punish you. You will pay for what you have done.
截至到目前，倫敦自6號發生騷亂開始，警方已經拘捕咗1000幾名疑犯，其中被判刑嘅罪犯年齡最細只係得11歲，犯案時甚至有家長接應。警方通過監視器所拍攝到嘅片段，公佈咗一啲匪徒嘅照片。11號清晨開始，警方攞住過百張搜索名單，開始進行拘捕行動，展示維持治安穩定嘅決心。卡梅倫話：由於警方一開始錯判形勢，事發時街上執勤嘅警察太少，同時使用嘅策略亦都冇發揮到作用，導致騷亂一發不可收拾。為咗確保倫敦嘅安全，倫敦警方已經將街上維持秩序嘅警員數目由6000人增加至16000人。咁樣嘅警力將會一直持續到週末，而所有受騷亂影響區域嘅警員都取消休假。另外，對於部分民眾主張政府應該派遣軍隊維持治安、鎮壓暴徒嘅諗法，卡梅倫話：警長同佢講，警長寧願自己成為最後一名上街維持秩序嘅警員，亦都唔想輕言向軍方求援。而卡梅倫自己亦都支持呢個諗法。卡梅倫同時宣布，政府將會提供2000萬英鎊嘅資金，協助喺騷亂中受害嘅商家重新恢復營業。而對於因為暴亂而無法繳稅嘅商家，政府亦可以俾佢哋延後繳稅，助佢哋渡過難關。